Okay, so our topic for today is the set theory. Okay, first and foremost, ano nga bang set? So according sa math definition, a set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. So distinct, ibig sabihin kakaiba, unique, nag-iisa, at walang katulad. Parang ikaw, charot. Okay, and then well-defined, ibig sabihin kailangan na ang isang object ay talagang laman ng isang set. So, sa madaling salita, ang set ay grupo or pangkat ng mga unique na bagay. So, paano nga ba natin sinusulat yung sets? So, for example muna, if you look at this picture, number 1, this is a set of students. So, bawal sa grupo na to or sa set na to ang hindi estudyante. Kasi, di ba, sabi, a set of students daw eh. Number 2, a set of crayons. So, puro crayons lang dapat. Bawal daw ang color pencil. 'Di ba? Kasi sabi, crayons lang daw eh. Number 3, a set of digits. So, ano-ano nga ba ang mga digits? So, ayan ang 0, 1, 2, 3, up to 9. Yun ang set of digits. And then yung number 4, empty or null set. Ibig sabihin, walang laman. Empty. 'Di ba? At ito yung symbol na ginagamit for an empty set, which is the Greek letter phi. Okay. So, paano nga ba natin sinusulat ang set sa mathematics? So, we have two options. One is yung roster or listing method. Ibig sabihin, ililista lang. Kahit gaano kadami, basta ililista. So, for example, A is equals to A, E, I, O, U. So, nilista mo lahat, diba? Ng vowels. As you can see, it's vowels. So, A, E, I, O, U. Letter D is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ayan siya. Yan na mismo yung laman ng set. Walang labis, walang kulang. Ayan na yun. So, number 3, N is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ellipsis. Infinity. Diba? Ayan lang yung listing. So, you list it. And then, yung number 2 naman na type ng notation is the set builder notation. So, dito, instead of listing, you put it into a sentence na lang, diba? Katulad niyan, A is equal to A such that A is a vowel. O, diba? So, instead of A, E, I, O, U, you put it na lang. It's a vowel. Ito yung set. And then, yung second example, D is equals to D such that D is a digit. O, diba? Simple lang. Hindi mo na kailangan ilagay yung 0, 1 to 9. Basta, it's a digit. And then N is equal to N such that N is a natural number. So that's how we write the sets. So easy naman, diba? Okay, so that's it. Antabayanan nyo po ang ating next topic about sets, which is the operations of the sets sa ating next video. Thanks for watching and I hope you learn!